What? How did you do that? Okay, so first off, let me show you my project file. Okay, so those of you who don't know what the software is, this is software called Adobe After Effects. The links for downloading this software will be available in the description of this video. Actually, this is where I jump. Whoa, hold on. Before you watch any further in this video, make sure you watch the short film that I have uploaded, Privacy at Risk, right here. Jump and then um, this is actually a simple mask, a very simple mask. Now at this point the portal is getting opened. So in this mask you can see that I am jumping into the table, but there are two clips. The one on top is, you can see now in the show jump I have like moved my table a little bit and then I'm jumping onto the ground. I'm going under the table. So this is my mask, which is done simply using the pen tool. You can like do masks like this. So see, it's not a mask. I have animated my mask path so that at the point where the pedestal moves up, my mask is also moving upwards so that it matches with the motion of the portal. So that is what I have done by adding a keyframe to the mask path, and then under it I have added an empty shot of my space, which is just the table and my laptop right over here. Actually that's it. That's what I have done to disappear under the desk. Okay, and that's it for today guys. I'm Lyson Graphics, and make sure you subscribe so that you can see me in the next one.